Here's how you can get rounded corners on your any image or video. Select the media in and hit Ctrl space and take the transform node, not the one with XF, the one without any brackets. Take that one, select that transform node, and in the inspector panel go to image adjustment and then increase the edge rounding, and it will round the corners of your image or video. From here you can also scale it down or move it, and you know what's the fun part? You can do the exact same thing on the edit page. I'm here on the edit page with the same video. Now go to effects panel, then open effect, and here search transform and drop it on your clip, and go to inspector panel, effects, and open effects, and here you will find the image adjustment, and this is the same setting. By the way, you're seeing this color because I have placed an image underneath this video. After you get your desired rounded corners, to scale it down or move the position, use these options. Don't use the options which are provided on this video section because it will mess your corners. So make sure to use the effects one to scale it down or move the position. By the way, if you want to add border to this or any kind of image or video, make sure to check this video out.